is a Maverick declaration, a full Maverick declaration of support for the new Reggae Boys coach, Heimir Halgrimsson. He's getting my early support for three main reasons. Now, first of all, Jamaica's football was at a crossroads and needed the expertise and neutrality of a coach divorced from the local quagmire. Next thing, the settling of the Andre Blake issue. One phone call, man-to-man, problem solved. The next and most instructive thing, early observations and utterances about the national team. The man said Jamaica team too disorganized and that using 100 players in such a short space of time is foolishness and that the quality of the players is not being reflected in how the team plays. Me not have to hear nothing more from the coach. Yes, somebody call him or text him and tell him say the Maverick in I'm corner 100%. Of course, it's easier said than done. And lots of challenges will arise along the way. And the coach might soon start say, hey, me want to go back home. But for right now, the Maverick is a big early fan of Coach Halgrimsson. For the time being. Yes, yes. For the time